Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Thank you for coming back to my channel. So today we are doing an unboxing video. So I'm going to be unboxing the new gadget I got, and I just want to say that, starting YouTube, I started YouTube 4 years ago. I've been getting my gadget. I've not been spending so much on gadgets. I've just been getting, low budget gadgets, and I abandoned YouTube. But recently, like a month ago, a month and a half ago, I started to take YouTube seriously. I saw it as a calling, I saw it as a business, and I decided to take it seriously. And guess what? God took it seriously with me. So my husband usually joined my live, and it was on one of my live video, and he just called me and said, I was on your live video, you were saying something nice, but I couldn't hear you, so let's get a mic. Oh my god. So I'll be unboxing my microphone. Okay guys, so it's a popular microphone, so don't think it's something new. It's a popular microphone, but I'll just be doing an unboxing and I'll be reviewing it too in this video. So ta-da! It is the K9 wireless microphone. I have actually unboxed it off camera, but I want to do the unboxing on camera. This is what it looks like. Yeah, this is what the video looks like. I mean the this is what the microphone looks like. The front, the back. Focus. You can plug and play. It's a 20 meters. It has 20 meters of accessible reception. It has a precise radio. It has a clear timbre. It is highly sensitive, and it has a wide compatibility. Okay, so I wanted to talk about this microphone. There's the K8, which is the single mic, and the K9 is the double mic. So if you want to get a microphone and you want it to be double, and to me it is economical if you get the double mic in case you have a guest here on your channel and you want, talk with your guest. So it is just economical to get the K9, and I think the price difference is not so much and it is very affordable. Okay, so let's unbox. Like I said, I had unboxed before. So this is the manual. The first thing comes with the manual. This is the manual. It comes with the manual. So the first thing you do is you read your manual. Whatever gadgets you're getting, please go through the manual, and I've gone through it. It has the receiver. So this is the receiver, and there's something about this receiver, there's something about this mic that I love. It's compatible for iPhone and also for the Type-C Android. So if you're using an Android phone, you can also get this. If you're using an iPhone, you can also get this. With your iPhone, this is what you will plug to. You connect to the transmitter, this one. It has the iPhone mount, so you just connect it this way, you see, like this. So this is the transmitter that you're going to connect to your phone. And if you're using an Android phone, this is what you'll be connecting to the transmitter. This is what it looks like. Good. So we also have two microphones. It has two microphones, you see, and it's also a clip-on. You can clip it to, you can hold it this way, or you clip it to whatever you're putting on, like this. Okay, I didn't clip it well. You can clip it this way, it will stay this way. Okay, so also has a charger. This is a charger. It has a charger. So the first thing you do when you get a gadget, you charge all these things. So I have charged it now. So let's see if there's going to be a difference in my voice. I'll be connecting this now to my phone. And when you connect to your phone, get a blink of green and red light, but when it has a steady green light like this, then your microphone is on. So hello guys, I hope I'm able to convince you that you need a microphone. It's going to elevate your your video, and I believe there's a difference in my previous video before I connected the receiver and now. So if it's something, if you've been looking out for if you've been looking out to getting a microphone, this is perfect. It's a perfect one for you. So I'll see you guys in the next one, and bye. Please subscribe to this channel so my husband will be glad. Bye guys, see you in the next one.